My guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing an unboxing. This is a Ruroc Atlas 2.0. So Ruroc were kind enough to send me out this helmet right here to do an unboxing, to do a review. So I get to let you know exactly what I think about this helmet. Okay, I did have a look. I had to have a look. I just can't help myself. I just had to have a sneak peek before anyone else. Ooh, and it's good. But anyway, this is the Ruroc Atlas 2.0. First of all, solid box. I mean, look at this, the matte black, gloss black combo. Cannot beat it. And this is just the box. Oof. Anyway, this right here. This is what we're talking about. So I've emptied out all the contents and this is everything that came in this box. We're gonna start off with the small stuff and just have a look through, see what they've got. First of all, everything is bagged proper nicely and got their own little soft pouches. Ah, this is some kind of screen protector. I'm guessing it's a defog screen or just some kind of protector to go on the inside or the outside. Let's have a look what's in this little pouch. Stickers. Everybody loves stickers. So I'm definitely going to be finding a place for those. And a poster. So, stickers aside, all good. This right here, this is the Atlas Shockwave. This is the Bluetooth headset kit. This doesn't come with the helmet when you buy it. It is extra. I just thought I'd point that out, but it is definitely something you want to have. You get to have music, you get to have hands-free, you get to have all that good stuff while you're riding along. So we'll put this away for now and we'll test it out when we get on the road. Oof, a nice black tinted visor. I'm guessing this is going to complement the helmet quite nice. So let's get that open right now. Ooh, that is beautiful. This model is the Atlas 2.0 Shuriken model. Basically, that is the style of the design and it looks awesome. This is the updated and improved version over their first motorcycle helmet they made, and there's so many more features that is packed into this helmet. One thing this helmet's got over my other helmet is this is actually DOT approved and okay for the UK roads. It is actually full carbon fiber as well, so there is just no weight to it. It's super light. Looking at the padding, oh, there is a lot of nice padding in there. The detailing to the pattern is just phenomenal. I mean, with the matte black and the metallic gold and even the little bit of grey there. And of course, the super sleek shape that this Ruroc helmet is known for. There's a lot more ventilation control with this helmet, and alongside, no more Allen keys to get this visor off. So you don't need any tools to remove this visor whatsoever. They're nice and easy now, whereas the one before you had to use tools. There's a pin lock on the visor, so there's no more lifting up at high speeds. So I have no worry about that on the CB125, but the XJ650 may be a different matter altogether, but it's always good to know. With this helmet, they really went to town with the safety aspect of it, with a lot of pull tabs here, so in case you have an accident and paramedics or anyone needs to get to you and get these pieces out real quick. So that's just a nice reassuring factor in the helmet. How now, brown cow? Oh, that is snappy. That is snappy, I like that. Oh, right, the buckling system is really straightforward. It's quick, easy, oh. It's magnetic for a start, which means it snaps into place nice and easy. And this thing, oh, yes. Cannot see a bloody thing, but oh yes. And just with a quick pull, it comes off just like that. Now, let's change the visor over. And so now I've not done this yet, but let's see how easy it is to actually take off the visor and change it without any tools. That easy, okay. Bits are going flying, but there are the screws, side pieces that clip on. I'm guessing these just snap into place. They do. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's no fault of theirs. I'm just a doofus when I come to fit things like this, but if a doofus can do it, you can do it. These pins go in, and if that's the case, Done. Straightforward that. So there's a million and one things I could tell you about this helmet sat here on this table, but I want to go take it out for a test ride. Let's go and get the CB125 fired up and go and take this for a spin.
Hello.
So after taking the helmet out on the road, I can tell you it feels like a premium product. The shockwave system works shockingly well. Having the freedom to listen to music whilst on a ride is a beautiful thing. I have to say, it's a really good looking helmet. From whatever angle you look at it, it just looks good. Even with all my retro riding gear, it did not look out of place at all. I don't think I've ever had a helmet that feels this light. That is the beauty of carbon fibre. All in all, this is a really great helmet, and I want to thank Ruroc for sending it out to me. Anyway, I'm off for a ride. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.